Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Fadila from class 103. Here I will make a video interview about learning English and the development of foreign language learning in Indonesia to fulfill the final assignment of the English course taught by lecturer Siska Fitriah Eskom IM Sos. Hello, okay, thank you for taking the time for this interview. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Oke Wiraja, a student majoring in English literature. Currently in 6th semester, I have a great interest in learning English language and literature.
As an English literature student, what do you think about growth of the development of English language learning in Indonesia?
In my opinion, English language learning in Indonesia is growing, especially because of the increasing access to English language media, such as film, music, and digital content. In school, learning English has become a mandatory subject, and how many schools are starting to implement more interactive learning methods than before. However, there are still challenges in terms of application in everyday life.
What are the biggest challenges faced by students in learning English?
One of the biggest challenges is the lack of an environment that supports the active use of English. Many students only learn English in class but are not used to using it every day. Apart from that, learning methods in some schools still tend to focus on theory and grammar, making it less interesting for students. Embarrassment and fear of making mistakes when speaking are also factors that hinder the development of person's language skills.
In your opinion, how can English learning be more effective?
In my opinion, the best way to practice speaking more, students should be encouraged to communicate in English. For example, by creating learning communities or participating in activities such as English Day at school. Apart from that, the use of technology such as learning applications, English film without subtitles, and reading books in English can also help improve language skills.
Apart from English, how are Indonesian people interested in other foreign language?
I see interest in other foreign languages such as Mandarin and Korean increasing. Many young people are interested in learning this language because of the influence of popular culture such as K-pop and Asian drama. Apart from that, economic factors are also play a role because many international companies are looking for workers with multilingual skills.
Do you think Indonesia needs to promote more learning of foreign language other than English?
Yes, of course, mastering more than one foreign language can provide many benefits, both in the academic and professional world. The government can support more student exchange program, scholarship, or foreign language courses so that people have more opportunities to learn other language.
Thank you so much for your time and this insight share. Hopefully this interview can be of benefit for many people.
You're welcome. Hope it's useful.
Hello, my name is Dewi Fadila from class 103. I will make a presentation on the result of my interview about learning English and the development of foreign language learning in Indonesia. To fulfill the final assignment for the English course taught by lecturer Siska Fitriah Eskom IMSOS. Development of English language learning in Indonesia. English learning in Indonesia is experiencing positive development, supported by media access and more interactive learning methods. However, there is still a gap between classroom learning and its application in everyday life. Challenges in English language learning. Some of the main challenges students face include a lack of practical environment, overly theoretical teaching methods, and psychological barriers such as shyness. Effective ways to learn English. The research person emphasizes the importance of speaking practice and the use of technology to increase learning effectiveness. Interest in other foreign language. Apart from English, interest in Asian language is also increasing, influenced by popular culture and the needs of the world of work. Promotion of learning other foreign language. The interviewee believed that Indonesia needs to be more active in promoting the learning of other foreign languages with support from the government. Conclusion and suggestion. From the interview, we can conclude that foreign language learning in Indonesia continues to develop, but still needs improvement, especially in terms of practice and government support. Thank you. I hope you can get useful knowledge from this presentation. Good luck.